We will learn how to edit a file in Plesk File Manager. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged into your Plesk account. If you want to know how to log in, watch our tutorial on how to log in to Plesk. In the left sidebar of Plesk account, click the Files option. It shows all the directories here. Click to open the directory where the file exists. Click the menu icon of the file you wish to edit. Select any suitable editor. For instance, Edit in HTML Editor. This is where you can edit your file. Make the required changes in the file and click OK. Now you know how to edit a file in File Manager. Thank you for watching.